Girl, I still kiss your head in the morning, make you breakfast.
What it do, white family? Today we are here with not really a challenge, but something we've been seeing on the internet a lot. We have my sister Jada here. Make sure you guys follow her on her social media.
My Instagram is Jada_B0O and Snapchat is Jada.Ayana.
You know, it's me, Kiwi and
Remi,
otherwise known as
loyal and dysfunctional as fuck.
ASF.
Don't forget that.
So, today we're doing the treats unboxing. This is where you get treats from other parts of the country, and what they did was they didn't send us one country, they sent us stuff from multiple
And it's only supposed to be one.
So we just gonna be trying a whole bunch
It was
of
made extra. It's ASF.
It wasn't supposed to be this extra, but oh well, we're extra.
So if you guys want to try them, you can go to www.trytreats.com. It will be in the description and down below. Make sure you guys follow us on our social media at Kiwi_Remi two times. And if you're watching us for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And like.
And comment. Tell your friends. Tell your friends.
Tell your mama.
Tell us what was your favorite snack.
Tell your grandma.
If you guys wanna, if we don't like any of these, you know, you guys can leave your address. We'll ship them to you. Cause it's probably gonna be something I ain't gonna mess with. I got my drink over here.
Yes.
And I got mine.
I had to go to Thornton's. I had to be bougie.
I got good old thing. We got a trash can right here because okay.
But without further ado,
Let's get into the video. So I've seen the stuff in here. They haven't seen it. So ready?
I'm nervous.
Ready?
I'm scared. You know I'm so picky. Like, oh,
I can tell it's a lot of chocolate stuff.
chocolate.
you got little kids on this.
I like this Tiffany blue box.
Me too. It make me want to go to Tiffany.
You look bougie.
Anyway,
What the freak is that?
so
That looks cute.
Oh hell no.
I think so we're just gonna pull it out one by one because I'm not gonna. I'll put a picture up when we trying it so you guys can see it up close because I don't think you guys can see it. And I'll tell you guys the description of it because it ain't in the card. So how this works, we're each gonna pick one that we want us to try, and then we're each gonna rate it on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being nasty as fuck, 10 being good.
Delicious.
So who wanna pick first? We should let her pick first.
Sure.
Her.
Good as fuck.
It's not her.
I'm just saying. That's good.
You can go all through. It's like, what is this?
Oh, I know. These.
So
That look like that's
these
from the
are-
United States.
These are Mexican, because I looked these up. These are Mexico. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, we don't know how to pronounce these words. I mean, we smart now, but
They're basically strawberry wafers.
you know, I love wafers, but you know,
You got nails, you want
I'm not supposed to walk on that.
Walk with nice, very safely.
Is that an apple
Don't run
flavor?
kids.
We gonna find out.
Oh, my Pandora. We gotta go to
It's the peanut thing.
This is so crazy. And y'all, I got a knife in my hand.
You know, slice her.
I
I
got
could
it.
have just cut.
Grits on the pack. She gonna put the pack up there. And this look dry. Like, it don't even look like...
got
Look like Popeye biscuits.
It don't even look like it got strawberry filling in there. Like,
They might be good.
It
though.
smells good.
it smells really fruity.
It's really fruity.
It smells like...
Alright, ready?
Alright, y'all ready? One.
One.
Hey!
It smells
Be
really good.
patient.
1,
2, 3. Tastes like American. Which is
American.
good.
Let's try like
Regular
some
wafers.
shit you get at Walmart.
It's like a second bite.
We smashing, y'all.
So on a scale
Look
of 1
what?
to 10.
6.
I was at 8. It could have been a little more,
Sweet.
And it got an after.
not sweet, but just better quality.
It got an
The
after.
presentation could have been a lot better.
I give it an 8.
Okay.
So these are
However, share
what the
one.
fuck? Booba Laboo. Bubba Laboo.
Strawberry gummy candy and marshmallow with chocolate flavored coating.
This is Mexican too. I looked this one up. This is Mexican.
That's
I
what
don't
this
think
party
I'm gonna
started.
like
Ooh,
this.
it smells like a whole bunch of chocolate.
That's when this party started.
Oh my God, Erica.
Who's got marshmallows?
And strawberry. You ready?
No.
You ready?
I do not like chocolate covered strawberries.
You don't?
No.
Maybe the marshmallow like.
Uno, dos, tres.
My opinion is biased because I don't like chocolate covered strawberries, only white chocolate covered strawberries. So this, 0.
Oh, little disclaimer. This video is not to bash, nor judge, nor downgrade any country.
You like
we're
what you
trying.
like. That's totally fine.
Right.
We just don't like it.
I'm picking.
We just trying it, you know, we get the traveling, so we know what we like and don't like. I get it like a
3.
what you think?
I don't know what to think. Can,
I
What you
just
think?
can't.
These are green apple flavored volcano. I was gonna show it, but he ripped it open.
oh yeah.
Volcano popping candy. Don't we got, what is it, Pop Rocks?
Yeah,
Pop Rocks.
basically. Oh, so it's multiple ones in the
Yeah.
cup? I thought it was just going to be a whole big. Alright, so.
What's this popping candy? I wonder if it.
Oh, we got different flavors?
No, it's all green apple.
Oh, okay.
I had to bite it.
I can't bite nothing.
Ooh. Ooh. We learned the lesson there. Use knives or scissors.
We make mistakes on camera, so you don't have to. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Mm.
Oh, that's sour.
This shit really pops.
My jaw clenching.
Do y'all hear
not
this
clenching.
in our...
Clenching. My jaw clenching. Can y'all hear that?
It sound like we got grease in our mouth.
Sound like fried chicken.
Mm-hmm.
I mean-
in your mouth.
I give it a 9 because they just taste like
Yeah, regular.
American Pop Rock.
Right.
These are actually these are Mexican too.
I feel these are nice. Some
Yeah,
candy
so,
that a
I
little
mean,
kid would definitely
I was
like.
about to say, like, this is like the actual.
High quality.
Yeah.
They pop more than regular Pop Rocks.
They
Pop
got
Rocks.
more flavor too. Cause I tasted that green apple when I first put it in my mouth.
It was a little sour.
Your turn.
My turn. Okay, so. Nope. I can't even read what this is.
So this right here, this is Japanese crepe. Oh, these are Japanese crepe cookies covered with slightly sweetened chocolate icing. I read that because I.
Okay, well, we can try these. We're gonna try these, guys.
All right, let me put it in. This is what the pack look like. I'll show you when she opens.
It's so much Chinese stuff back here. How everything else gonna be in Chinese, but the nutrition facts. They trying to make sure us Americans know what we consuming. All right. All right. So one for you, one for you, and one
Oh,
for bro. Where's bro? You want another one?
Oh, snap.
It smell good.
No.
I feel like I know that smell. So this is what they look like.
Smell like something that's supposed to be on your face.
It kind of smell like Dove.
Yeah, that's why I said something that's supposed to be on
It
your
smell
face.
like Dove.
Japan trying to feed us soap. Alright, y'all ready?
Alright.
No, it smells like sweet potato pie too. Like a little bit. Oh my gosh.
This said chocolate ice now. If it tastes like sweet potato pie, we don't have a problem.
Alright, you ready?
Ready, set, go.
Oh, this is good.
Tastes like pie.
I can do this.
It tastes like a sweet potato pie.
Mm-hmm. Don't judge a book by its cover.
I can do this.
Mine is just breaking.
Okay.
I know.
I can do this.
I'm gonna take some of this home.
Oh yeah.
It's just like light, real fluffy, and it like instantly melts in your mouth.
And you know what? This could be great for like we had like a little snack if you're working out or something like
How
that.
many calories in this? I guess, I don't know. It seems like it's low in calories. On the scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this honestly a 10.
This is a 10.
It's rich in flavor. You know, it's not overpowering, but it's still rich, and it's like the moon pies that we have here, but besides the little yellow stuff, it's chocolate, and it has like a cake filling and marshmallow filling. So I think it's gonna be good. Let's try it. I already opened it.
Ready?
All right. 1. Just gonna take a piece. Hold on.
2.
All right. 3.
This is what the package looks like. I'm gonna put a picture up in the corner so you guys can see.
I don't like chocolate cake or chocolate for real, but this is honestly like a good balance.
I agree.
I'll give this about a good 7.
7.5.
And I don't even like chocolate, so I know a chocolate lover probably. It's a little dry, just a little bit.
I need
That's
some
crazy.
milk.
That's crazy. All of it's not chocolate fans. That's crazy.
Yeah, not really.
No.
It says avoid direct sunlight. Eat right after opening.
I know, I was reading that.
So this right here,
Oh.
this is called a puffy crisp cookie. Yeah, we kind of opened some stuff.
Yeah, we opened some stuff already, y'all. We was trying to make sure it was safe to consume.
We're trying things so for your protection.
This is what it looks like. And this
I
is
feel
by
like-
Gourmet Delight.
This is just all glucose.
I feel like you just about to. Is it gluten free? It look like.
No, it's like you can smell the diabetes.
I will recommend this to anybody who has diabetes, and that's not joking.
Like,
Diabetes in the tray, y'all.
If you see this before you consume it, you wouldn't want to eat it either.
Again, diabetes in the tray, y'all.
Mm.
All right, 1.
2.
I had to like make mine like a little.
Just turn it.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Now, this is literally getting stuck to my teeth. How freaking sticky and sweet this is.
You know that one thing like your parents made while you was little and that you never liked it? Even after you're older, you still don't like it? This is
You
this.
know what this tastes like? Y'all know them little blue tin of cookies? Them blue.
Scones?
No, it's like a blue tin. And they got different cookies on it.
Oh, that
This
grandma.
tastes like the one you never wanted.
Yes! Oh, you making me want to get some of those.
Only
The
grandma
short
had
bread
those.
cookies.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Remember what this tastes like? The one you never wanted though. You know what be salty too?
What?
When you go and try to sneak one and it's everything but cookies in there.
Yes.
Like
It's
your grandma
sewing
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 stuff.
machines and
Yeah.
old news and beads, needles,
Buttons and shit.
buttons.
Yeah, you had to sneak into your grandma's room thinking you about to get her some of her stuff and she treats you. Not funny, grandma. Not funny.
Stop doing that, grandmas.
Okay. Next we're gonna try is kaba.
Why can't you say anything right?
I don't know. It's like we're so smart.
But
Just
so
don't
that's-
ask, you can ask us stuff in English and science all day. We'll be able to tell you.
That's like
This is Kobakia.
that is not Kobokia.
It don't got no I,
Right.
No, but the
no E.
the K will be like the silent.
And that's not
instead-
Kobo. That's
Kaba.
that,
Kaba.
that's a
Y'all let us know how to pronounce this, because they is over
Kabak.
here.
that's a not
It's
a
a,
buff.
it's a kaba.
We're Miss McCoy when you need her. Let me stop name dropping.
I don't know what this is. It might be. No. This is Russian. This is from Russia. I
I'm
remember.
scared to eat this candy. It's
See,
crazy.
that's what I said. I said, come on.
They trying
Well,
to.
you right though, cause they do talk like that over there.
See, listen to Remy sometimes. See,
Okay.
everything's so hard.
Let's see. What's all the fun?
I'm sick of all this chocolate.
No,
Right, like, right.
Next
How they
time,
don't
just give us candy.
Right,
or
like
chips. Yeah, I don't
Right.
want this next time. Okay, so is this like a chocolate wafer, basically?
it looks like
Oh my god, we
it
just
looks
go
like
like
hard.
Just bite it from end to end. You guys are married.
Ready?
Set.
Go.
Go. Yeah.
I don't
Why
know.
is it so quiet?
I don't know.
What is this?
It's a wafer.
Well, we have her answer.
Well, Nene can have business if you do yours later.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, Nene. Cause that was.
I know your name now.
My other sister was supposed to join us, but she had to work.
I
It's
know
okay.
her
We gonna order another one. We gonna do another one of these with
name.
You know what I'm gonna do though?
snacks.
Oh, they got an after.
It's not good.
That's a.
I give that a 1.
Uno.
It like the only thing that had the flavor was the chocolate. Like the wafer tasted like paper.
That's a 1. It's a fail.
It's a dub, as in a no.
Okay. Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry, y'all. Anyone that knows me, if I sneeze, my voice gets deep.
Oh, what the hell?
Is that sweet?
This is. Oh hell no!
I don't even read it. I'm not reading
Hey
it.
y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. Can't read this.
I don't even know
It
how to
look-
type that in.
It looked like I'm about to say. It looked like everything was typed up backwards.
Here. This is what this look like.
This is candy, y'all.
This is what this. If you know, am I holding it sideways?
We don't know.
I don't even know.
This is this way, but then this is this way.
Yeah, I
We
don't.
don't-
Okay, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna try it.
If you know what it is, you tell us, and we'll tell you
I
next time.
bet you
what it
it's
is.
chocolate.
I bet you it's chocolate. Ooh, it's got a. Look at the gold. It's gold.
Hey, Willy Wonka.
It's chocolate. Is this some feel?
We gotta get our golden ticket.
nasty shit.
It's sad that we all
It's-
got chocolate.
Oh,
It's something she don't like.
it's coconut, I think.
Please, no. Yeah, I'm tired.
I don't like foreign field
Me
things.
either.
That's why
Okay.
we're in America.
I gotta. This probably gonna taste like an almond joy. And I honestly hate almond joys.
I'm sorry. I had to lick the. It ain't got no flavor. Okay. Ready?
1.
2, 3. Oh, hell.
I wanna cry. Cause this is so nasty.
So, if you was the last person on earth, would you eat it?
No. I'm just gonna eat my skin.
Oh shit, that aftertaste. I just felt that.
It tastes like you literally just stuck your hand in coconut oil and put chocolate on it. Like
That was a 1.
That was a 0.
That
I'm
was
sorry.
a negative 0.9.
and the chocolate tastes like dark chocolate.
Ugh.
And
I gotta brush my teeth after this one.
I hate dark chocolate.
Okay. We only got.
Ah! My toe literally just almost got chopped off. That's
Damn. I forgot that was right
Eric,
there.
you trying to take me out the game.
I forgot that was right there.
She was gonna take it out of the prom.
I'm about to eat another. Bro, just fucking life. Where's the trash can? I'm gonna eat another wafer because
I want that.
that just threw my.
We only got one more.
Go ahead.
So, we only have one of these, and one of these. This right here It's peanut, so
I
he
hope you
can't
don't
eat
like
this.
that.
So you're stuck with this one. So this one is basically a caramel on a stick.
Oh, Janae don't like this.
She gonna like.
Yeah.
That's caramel on a stick. This is, I don't know what this, but they got a whole bunch of peanuts in it. And that is
Please make sure you brush your teeth thoroughly.
Very thorough.
super cocoa. So everybody show the same thing to the camera. That's what they look like.
I probably got mass food on my face. I'm smashing.
We gonna eat smash good after this. I'm getting them burgers.
Alright guys, let's open them up.
Oh, does it smell
The
like?
same. Pet, you sure? Huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what
This
that
say bin bibu.
If anybody can translate whatever we're saying.
Yeah.
If you're from these countries, let us.
Shit.
Countries, let us.
Shit. I'm gonna go eat it. I don't know.
This thing is like so sticky, y'all. Like, it won't even come off.
Is that a heart?
No,
It's a broken
a,
heart.
It's a rooster.
Oh.
Oh. I thought it was a disformed heart too.
It's
Me
a rooster.
too.
Okay, I understand.
I was gonna say that was like I felt bad a little
That's
bit.
why it got these farm animals on there. So I'm just gonna wick it because I honestly don't really even like caramel. I do, but like I just don't sit and eat caramel apples. I eat a caramel frappuccino though.
Caramel apples are
drink.
pretty good though.
No.
It stuck to my tooth.
I thought you was gonna lick it.
I did, but I took a little bite.
She looked at it a minute.
It's real rich in the caramel. I feel like this packaging influences the taste a little bit, and
Like it still got caramel on it.
and honestly, I don't like when they like caramelize stuff, or because it seems like when you caramelize something, you're literally
Is
just
that
burning
good?
sugar.
Is that
And
good?
it was good.
I was trying to bite it.
When you caramelize things, you burn in the sugar, and it tastes like what it is, burnt sugar. So
So what'd you get at?
I'll get at a good 5.
This was a this tastes like straight peanut. Like they just took peanuts and crushed them together and put them in a stick. This was like a 5.
So please don't eat this if you're allergic. Don't think you're not going to suppress the peanut butter.
Yeah, cause that.
And mine finally. This is very sticky, y'all. This is
Caramelized coconut.
coconut. Yeah.
See? Caramelized. Nasty. Burnt
Suck
sugar.
on it.
No, y'all. I ain't fucking with it.
You ain't even put it in your mouth. We put
I
it
said
out.
I ain't fucking with it.
He get on my nerves.
I swear to God.
That way.
Yeah. That's what she said. Because it's burnt and everything, probably had their intention was to make it really taste really good, but unfortunately it just doesn't.
Oh, did I get one of these for them? No. It's alright. The overall package, I'll give it a decent 6, 5. Because the wafers were probably my favorite.
This was my favorite.
The wafers probably my favorite. Just because I love wafers, but that's my second favorite because I love sweet potato pie.
What was your favorite?
My favorite. Just the Pop Rocks.
You
I
don't
like
like
candy.
it?
I like those, but I mean,
He's
oh my
he
god,
like
oh my
candy.
god, you candy.
This shit right here.
It's a no.
No, hell no.
Do not let your grandma eat that.
Don't let your sister eat
Straight
that.
diabetes.
Yeah, that.
Nobody should consume that.
I like that choco pie too.
Oh yeah, and I do not like. I honestly do not like moon pies, and I don't like chocolate for real. So they did their thing with some of this stuff, but they didn't keep these fake biscuits and these that weird candy caramelized stuff. Maybe they be burning it too long.
I feel like they did a good job of like sending this stuff on like everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
But it would have been nice if they gave us like a description card or something.
And not so much chocolate.
And some chips, you know.
Yeah, some chips. They
Some
got
chips, a soda, you know.
Mexico got these one chips. They're like highly, highly addictive. They're like spicy
I ain't
chips.
trying to be
They
on
put
no
crack
drug.
in it.
You know that's where them El Pablo
Trying to feed all his
moving
Garcias.
up pesos. El Chapo.
Okay, we might want to stop before we get.
Oh yeah, let me stop before we get attacked.
Alright.
You don't know where we live though.
No, you don't. But don't look for where we live. Don't do that. Anyway, well, that does it.
That is the end of that. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up.
Thumb it up.
Make sure
Oh, you
like-
can sing a little bit. I
No.
keep telling you that. You got a little harmony in your voice. You should pursue that at church. Go get in the choir.
What the heck happened right there? What happened? Next up, we doing the I don't know if we're gonna do the Smash or Pass or the Atomic Noodles.
Smash or pass is gonna
I'm
be
not
really
doing
epic.
the challenge. I would
Smash
not be
or pass.
featuring in that.
Or the Buffalo.
We can do the.
Or if you have
challenge
anything that
from-
you want us to do,
Yeah, comment
you go
things y'all
comment.
want to see them do. The Buffalo Wing Challenge, we can go to these up too.
Or I
Yes.
might, you know what I might do? Might do that 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes. Cause I love me some McDonald's chicken.
I know Wendy's.
Yeah, we
I'm
could
so mad they took away spicy nuggets. Do y'all got spicy nuggets still? Cause you hear it on outro.
Okay, anyway.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any
And
questions
share.
for Remy and Kiwi or even Jada, go ahead and comment. And we love you guys.
They know everything about
keep-
me. They'll answer.
Keep asking questions, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep liking us, and then we keep liking you and showing more videos with us.
Make sure you guys follow us on our social media at Instagram and Snapchat at Kiwi_Remi 2X. That's
2X.
2 times. So,
In my Instagram too, Jada_B0O, cause I got some things in store for you guys. So
we got some things.
Just in bed while you're yawning, and I don't do everything how you want it, but you can't.